Bolting is still the most important fastening technology in production in a wide range of industries. For example, in every vehicle that rolls off the production line, more than 700 safety-relevant nuts and bolts are installed. Finding hidden errors within this process is very difficult and correspondingly expensive. As a result, problems with bolting are often detected too late or not at all. Despite having the measurement data available to avoid this, Boltit uses the available data and checks every single bolted joint. The process curves are set in relation to the entire data to assess a detected deviation and derive further measures. This enables Boltit to identify and analyze errors quickly and efficiently. These results are visualized in near real time. Monitoring and alerting are automated and seamless. Boltit is manufacturer independent and can be implemented by you during operation. Avoid future errors completely and optimize your process sustainably and long term. Fewer manual analyses, less rework, fewer expensive and image-damaging recalls. This cuts costs without any loss of quality. Boltit can reliably detect process anomalies, react to them quickly and in a targeted manner. Use the hidden potential of your data for greater efficiency and quality.